how are dentists and orthodontists benefited from the aligner technology?
Yeah. So basically, coming first to the patients, patients are getting absolute best of what technology is currently available.
Hmm.
Yeah, because as you know, when smartphones came in, probably people didn't accept smartphones as well as they should have. So
Correct.
similarly with patients, they probably were very skeptical of going in for aligners. But when they got to know the advantage of aligners, like in aesthetics, like
Hmm.
in the comfort, and probably the costing, it was initially thought that the costing was high. Yes, it
Correct.
was up to a certain period of time, but of course, with the evolution and probably the upcoming of various companies who are dealing with aligners, the cost totally reduced and it was made accessible to the common man. So definitely it benefited the patient in that aspect. Coming to the orthodontist perspective, yes, technology, as I said, has to be embraced with open arms. So we were apprehensive at start that how it's going to work, what sort of tooth movements are possible, is a complex malocclusion well treated with aligners. So all these doubts were but natural for an orthodontist to have. But as I said, with time and probably a lot of research involving aligners, it was proven that the technology is there to stand for a long time.